Hey guys, it's Siena here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the simplest slimes ever. So what you're going to need is glue, laundry detergent, I recommend any kind, oh there's Nico right here, and food coloring. So let's get on to the video. So the first thing you're going to want to need is to pour in your glue. So my little helper is going to do that. Okay.
That's good.
So just a regular amount. I'm going to add in about a bit of food coloring.
Daddy,
About 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there it is, like that. I'm going to mix it up with the bottom edge of the spoon. So here it is. Now we're going to pour some laundry detergent in. Don't pour too much or else your slime will not really be slime. And we're just going to mix, and you can see that it will start to form. Your color might change, but you can add in any more if you want to. So just keep mixing until it really comes together. It's okay if it breaks apart because once you knead it, it'll come back together. Oh, and also something that you might want is some shaving cream or shaving foam to make your slime more fluffier. So I'm going to add a little bit in, and it'll be easier to make the slime come together once you add in your shaving cream. So I think it might be ready to take out and start touching it. So should I start touching it?
You can do it there. Put it on there.
Okay, so
Stop being sharp.
it's gonna be like wet and it might be sticky, but that's totally fine. You can just keep adding in shaving cream because the shaving cream will help.
What are you doing?
As you knead, your hands might get a little sticky, but if you keep going, it'll start to come off. So it's starting to form, and it's getting super fluffy. Good to poke. This is one of the most simplest slimes that you can make. It's only 4 ingredients, unless you don't want to add in any color, which is fine too. So close-ups, very stretchy, gives it a great look, and it just is really fun to play with. So here is the noise. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope that you can try this slime at home from your parents' permission. It's super easy, and I'll see you next time. Bye! And there's Nico.